Sisesiqongolweni eJohannesburg, emzimkhulu wezokurhatsha emalengelengeni, lazihlelwa khona indaba, nanzi ezithujileyo.
For the fact that when this transformer then tripped or overloaded, then it caused the other units to trip.
U-Eskom uthi usebenza ngokuzikhandla bonyana ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kugcine ivekele njengoba inkabase zehliselwe kesesine nje.
We don't have much options. We depend solely on NSFAS, and receiving financial assistance, it's a long process. And
I don't have any other options. Can your parents pay? Not really.
Sikhulu isililo sabafundi abasema-university ngenxa yokuhlogeka kwendawo zokuhlala. Abanye abakhona ukurejistara ngoba batsho i-NSFAS sola ibhadeli.
We can't set up an independent supply chain regulator for healthcare. The Treasury has told us very clearly that they will never countenance the formation of 3A public entity.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDr Aaron Motsoaledi uthi ukubiza kakhulu kwendleko yekolonyanga eqadi yezempilo kufanele kusule ukuhlayelwa kwemithetho efaneleyo. Uphi nakuphi la ukhona, hlalela eduze uzibambe zisatshisa indaba zesindebele ku-SABC1. Inguthulani Bonga. I-Eskom ithi ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kuzokuphela ekupheleni kwevekele. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi iSouth Africa ibanjwe bumnyama kodwa njengonobangela ukuphuka kwamaplanti edetshini ezinye ze-Eskom ekhethwapha. Njenganje u-Eskom wehlisa ukuqindeliswa kwegezi wakusa esigabeni sesine ukusuka esigabeni sesithandathu ngemva kokubuyisa amanye amaplanti ambalwa.
U-Eskom uthi ulungise amaplanti amahlanu, mabili wesiteshi seMajuba namabili weCamden kunye nalinye lesiteshi seMidupi. Uthi nangehlangothini lokungezelela nakufuneka isizo elihabako kukhamba kuhle. U-Eskom uthi ufumene isiqu somraro obangela ukuwa nokuqima kwamanye amaplanti.
What we had at Majuba is what this auxiliary plant, it's an electrical a fault that we had on one of the unit transformers that was connected to one of the units. And for the fact that when this transformer then tripped or overloaded, then it caused the other units to trip. Following the two that had tripped that were connected to this unit transformer. So that then caused the other three or multiple units or us losing those other three in addition because one of the unit was out on maintenance. So basically we lost 5 of the units. And as I said, that it's an
Ungqongqoshe wegezi uDokotela uHosien Tsoramokgopa uqinisekise amaSouth Africa ngokuthi ukuqindeliswa kwegezi lokhu kuzokuphela ekupheleni kwevekele. Ungqongqoshe uthi ukuphuka kwamaplanti nokuqima kwawo ngikho ekubangile ukuthi ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kugcine esele kusesigabeni esiphezulu kangaka. Nakusenjalo u-Eskom uthi uhlele ukungezelela amandla ayi-2500 megawatts ngokubuyisa amaplanti amanye amahlanu nasithandathu wesiteshi sekusile eMpumalanga. U-Eskom uyelelise amaSouth Africa ngokuthi ukusabalaliswa kwegezi elizweni leli kuyabogaboga begodu ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kuzokujanyiswa kwesikhatshana ingasikho ukuthi kuzokuphela safuthi njengombana kwathenjiswako phambilini.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi uyibona njani indaba ye-Eskom yokubuyisa kokuqindeliswa kwegezi. Nanku umbono wakho mbukeli welandela. Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela kumbono wombukeli. Kuthomile ukufunda emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko, kanti abafundi abaningi ababulala ubuthongo ngesitshijilo sokufumana indawo zokuhlala eziphephileko nezingabi zikhulu. Abafundi abaningi ema-university ahlukahlukeneko bangenele imchagalo ngokuhlayela kwendawo zokuhlala zabafundi. Imbiko yokukhahlunyezwa ngokomseme banikazi bendawo zokuhlala kunye nokungabhadeleki kwesikhwama semali NSFAS endaweni ezihlala abafundi ngiyabakahlumeza abafundi bema-university.
Kibaka 2024 bathwaye umlando ngesibalo esiphezulu sokuphasa, kodwa ke umraro sekuthini amaziko efundo ephakemeko bekangazilungiseleli ukuqalana nesibalo lesi. Bayi 337,000 abafundi abaphase ngendlela yokuthi baye ema-university, kodwa ingikhala zokufunda ziyi 206,000 ema-university. Kanti nje sekunomraro omutsha wendawo zokuhlala ema-university. Nanyana amanye ama-university akhulisiwe uhlala kunjalo. Abafundi abaningi abahlakileko ngabathembele ku-NSFAS.
We don't have much options. We depend solely on NSFAS, and receiving financial assistance, it's a long process, and parents can't afford to pay a huge amount of school fees.
I don't have any other options. Can your parents pay? Not really. Not really. They can't.
Ikwasungula isibonelelo sendawo zokuhlala ngehloso yokuqeda umraro wokuhlogeka kwendawo zokuhlala.
Happening at this stage is that NSFAS appointed service providers who developed a portal where the accommodation provider must register its beds, then it gets accredited, and then the students will be able to look for accommodation on that portal.
Kube nentshijilo ihlangano engamela abaqatshisi babafundi i-Private Student Housing Association ngiyanye inhlangano ekweletwa yi-NSFAS imali engaphezulu kwe-44 million.
More than 7,000 students that will be affected. At least these are the students that are residing in our residences across the country.
Ihlangano li ithusele ngokuqotsha abafundi abazinkulungwana ngenkulungwana ngombana abakweleta imali yomqasho. Umlando wawukhomba ku-NSFAS.
Let's allow all NSFAS funded students to go and register without paying any registration fee.
Okay.
We have also requested the accommodation providers to accommodate even the returning students into those accommodation establishments where they were accommodated.
Kwandi imchagalo ema-university ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo indaba yendawo yokuhlala abafundi kusesengiye emraro khulu ephazamisa abafundi khulu.
Nasaphethe abafundi nemiraro abaqalene naye emazikweni wezefundo ephakemeko, isekela likaNgqongqotjhe wezefundo ephakemeko uButi Manamela uthi uyazi ngesitshijilo sokuhlaliswa kwabafundi emazikweni ahlukeneko elizweneli. uManamela bekavakashele eUniversity yeVets eJohannesburg ukuyokuhlolwa ubujamo bokufunda kilomnyaka njengoba kuthoma umnyaka wokufunda ka2025.
The intention is to deal with those specific issues that relates to NSFAS, private accommodation, appeals. The commitment that the NSFAS made was that by today all the appeals that they have would have been cleared, and the NSFAS administrator committed to give us a report to that effect, but also that there are internal issues that need to be dealt with between universities, our department and the NSFAS themselves.
Ngomnyaka ka2024 bangaphezulu kwe615,000 abafundi abaphase inhlahlubo zika matric, kanti marekhodi abalela ku337,158 wabafundi abaphase ngama bachelor's degrees, kodwa zibalela ku206,000 ingkhala zabafundi zokuhlala ema-university ama-26 elizweni lonke. I-university iveze ukuthi izokuragela phambili nokuqalelela ukunikela indawo yokuhlala kubafundi abatlolisiweke ema-university.
Ihlangano yabafundi iSASCO eTshwane isungule ihlelo lokuqinisekisa ukuthi abaqatshisi bendawo zokuhlalisa abafundi kufanele ubuncane bakhona banikele ngamaphesenti 5 embhede ukusiza abafundi abangakatholi indawo zokuhlala. Abanye abafundi esebaxolisile abazibhadalelako bathi bagadelelwa ukuthi bahlalisane ngokuminyana endaweni zabo. Lokho kukhahlumeza ilungelo labo lokufunda ngechaphuluko.
Abafundi abaningi basesenentshijilo zokuthola indawo zokuhlala. Njengalapha eTUT ecampusini eseWest.
We are having many residences who believe that we are going to champion this issue. It's not going to be very difficult. Residences, they are not even full, so they have all the reasons to give back to the community.
Bangaphezulu kwenkulungwana ezilikhulu nama-40 abafundi beUNISA abebangakaqoliswa ngokupheleleko ngenxa yezemali.
And as student leaders, we cannot just turn a blind eye and see this travesty of justice. That's why we've been saying, and the funding issue is not primarily based on many other things. We know that these are students who are deserving. They're coming from poor backgrounds. NSFAS decided to defund some of them. So currently, some of them are not funded because the process of applying for NSFAS is just 3 weeks.
Ungqongqotjhe wezefundo ephakemeko uDr Nobuhle Nkabane usungule isichema esokuqala isililo sabafundi ngendawo zokuhlala eUniversity yeMpumalanga.
Mjeje emide ejanywe bafundi bonke njalo bomele ifundo bafuna ukurejistara. Bonke abafundi aba balila ngeNSFAS. Abafundi balila ngokuthi imali zokufunda nezendawo zokuhlala azikabhadelwa solokwa ngomnyaka opheleleko. Nje abakhona ukurejistara. Baqalene nokuqothwa la bahlala khona.
uNSFAS akazange asikhokhele last year ama funds uNSFAS akazange akhokhe tuition fee yami yonke ne accommodation from September. So lokho kusilimaze kakhulu njengamanje abaningi bethu asikhona ukuregister.
Lokunye kwakhona ukuthi labahlala khona labaqashe khona bafuna kubaqosha ngoba uNSFAS akababhadelanga ukuthi babe khona imali yonyaka oluphelile.
Bangaphezulu kwekhulu abafundi abaqalene nokuqothwa endaweni abahlala kizo emazikweni wezefundo eMpumalanga. Ungqongqotjhe wezefundo uDr Nobuhle Nkabane uzwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngendlela iUniversity yeMpumalanga iphethwe ngakhona.
Ndiye ndamxelela ke ngoku ndashiya into eclear message clear ku-chairperson we-council uba ndicela i-report in 2 days ukuba yintoni consequence management azayo-aplya apha ngoba sithatha thina lo mcimbi wokufunda very serious.
Isicheme esisazokuhlala ecampusini le okusiza bonke abafundi ngeentshijilo zabo zeNSFAS nokuqinisekisa bona bonke abafundi bayahloliswa ngaphambi kokuthi kuvalwe. Phambidlana namhlanje ungqongqotjhe unikele ngensiza zokufunda, amanyathelo nensiza zokuhlanzeka eTamajane Secondary School eBushbuckridge. Umphakathi wesikolo usamukela isandla sikaNgqongqotjhe sokunikela.
Nasibuya entolo sijinga ngeTshwane lapho umbikindaba wethu uNontokozo Sikhosana khona ayosipikela bunqopha ngokwenzekako ngaphambi kwenkulumo kaNdunankulu weGauteng uBhanyazali Lesufi yobunjalo besifunda seGauteng. Indaba sekhona lapha nazikuphundileko yazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Ungqongqotjhe wezepilo uDr Aaron Motsoaledi uthi ukubiza kakhulu kwendleko ekodweni yangeqadi yezepilo kufanele kusole ukuhlayelwa kwemithetho efaneleko. Umtsoaledi ubekhuluma nababikindaba eJohannesburg ngemva kwephenyo lekomitjhini yezokuphalisana ekodweni yezepilo.
Iphenyo lekomitjhini yezokuphalisana ekorweni yezepilo yango-2019 lifumene bona ikoro yezepilo yangeqadi ibhodwe izindleko ezibizako zepilo namahlelo wembonelelo abizako. Ifumene nokuthi kwehlile ukuzuza nokusetshenziswa khulu kwezinsiza zepilo. Ungqongqotjhe wezepilo uDr Aaron Motsoaledi uthi amabhiliyoni wamaranda asetshenziswe khulu kubaphatheli emkhakheni lo. Uthi imali le ngathani isetshenziswe ngigulini.
We believe we can't set up an independent supply chain regulator for healthcare because the Treasury has told us very clearly that they will never countenance the formation of 3A public entity because those that are there, they are actually de-establishing them.
Ungqongqotjhe wezokurhwebelana zamakoro nemkhangiso uPakstow uthi akunasakheko esimkhombandlela ukulawula intengo zezenzelwa zezepilo.
Due to the lack of a formal tariff determination framework, consumers are faced with uncertainty on prices, potential balance billing, and tariffs which are not determined through a transparent process.
South Africa ingelinye lamazwe amabili phasi inzombelele asabhadela imtholapilo ngemali eyikheshi.
But the World Organization said you are the same. You are outlying me because you are doing what other countries are not doing, meaning relying mostly on cash and private medical aids to pay for health. And they said it's untenable.
Ungqongqotjhe uthi ngemva kwemkhulumiswano nekomitjhini ezamaphaliswano nomnyango wezepilo kukhutshwe incwadi yemithetho yesikhatshana ezokuqalana nentengo emkhakheni wezepilo. Uthi lokhu kubengwe ngakho ukurarulula umraro wokukhona ukubhadela emkhakheni wezepilo lo nokuphakamisa ukuvulekelana emkhakheni wezepilo.
Ezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikhulu. Akwande Sihlahla undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi wethula inkulumo yobunjalo besifunda. Nekhamba ngaziphi ngapho?
Siyathokoza Bongwe mbala vele kunjalo nathi ke silinde ngamehlo abovu inkulumo kaNdunankulu uPanyaza Lesufi ekulindeleke bona ayithule esikhathini esikaqedisa isihliziyo ukusuka nje ngale kwalokho ezinye siziphetheko ikomiti yezokuthintana eParliament namhlanje bekade ivakatshele ihlangano ehatsha ngomoya le SABC khona lapha eAuckland Park kuvela ukuthi batsho kunengikhulu eziphezulu ezithunyelwe lapha eUniversity eMpumalanga ukuthi batsho bakhambe bokusiza abafundi ngokuzitlolisa babatholele sengitsho nendawo zokuhlala ngezihlangana nezinye ke siziphetheko enambama namhlanje.
Thokozile Zihlahla siyalochisa ekhaya ngomvulo entambama khe sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke amathuba wezulu nge30% endaweni zalapha eGqeberha uthina uqala ngapha ngakubo Durban wathole kodwa nge30% kodwa ke eGwini elingePumalanga nge60% nakilezi indawo na urabhula nesifunda seFreystata ukuchinga ngale ngesifundeni sangale ke ngeNorthwest nasithi siyaqala ke kusasa swathola nge60% khulukhulu ke eTlagwini ePumalanga naga yeSouth Africa nge80% izindawo ezingegwini lePumalanga Kapa ke nge60% na ungenelelako esifundeni sePumalanga Kapa i30% kileza indawo zabo Mossel Bay sicalela ke isilemukiso esisitholeko ngobusuku namhlanje sikunomoya onamandla ngaleke ngeCape Town sibona lapha eMahikeng lizulu elithukuba linengana nangapha ngegwini langale ngeKZN kusasa kubonakala umoya loya usesekhona ngale ngeCape Town kanti ke lizulu elikhulu nangale ngephulukwane sokujidela ukwazi ukucala ukuthi endambama namhlanje singa anjani ke amazinga okuchisa sibona lapha ePitori pholile nge18 eJohannesburg nge15 esifundeni sangapha ngeGauteng eCape Town yi19 kanti ke iRichards Bay efuthumele nge24 nalapha eUppington esifundeni sangeNorthwest angithi lapha ke eNorthern Cape nge24 nakhona eEast London nge20 nakhona kupholile kusasa nawuthi uyaqala endaweni eziningi kufuthumele kuye ngokuchisa kuchisa khulukhulu ke lapha kubo Kimberley nge34 eUppington ichise khulu nge38 nawuthi uyaqala iDurban yona ke ifuthumele esifundeni sangale ngeKZN nge28 Richards Bay nge29 eJohannesburg ifuthumele nge27 ePitori iyachisa nge30 Mahikeng nge31 esifundeni sangaleke ngeNorthwest eCape Town kufuthumele kamnandi nakhona nge27 eGeorge ipholile nge21 eGqeberha nge23 nayo ke ipholile zindawo eziningi kusasa ke lezi iphulukwane siyayibona ke nayo ke nge28 ukuthi ifuthumele asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido
Njenganje asilalamele uNontokozo Sikhosana eTshwane lapho kwethulwa khona inkulumo yobunjalo besifunda seGauteng. Akwande noNtokozo sibawo sendlalele ukuthi kuza kanjani ngapho kufikela khathesi.
Akwande Bongwe ndangambala lapha eTshwane Automotive Economic Zone Center lana ke kubeke kuhlala khona kuhlezi khona isibethamthetho seGauteng njengoba nangikhuluma nawe nje kusanda ukudlula imatch lana bayamatch bajinga le phambili kungenisa intatanyizwa kuyaphithizela kuphasi phezulu lapha sikhona ke undunankulu wesifunda seGauteng ulindele ukuthi ethule inkulumo yobunjalo besifunda kanti ke ihlangana nezinto ekulindele ukuthi undunankulu akhulume ngazo kufaka hlangana umraro wamanzi njengoba nasazi ukuthi isifunda seGauteng siqale nomraro wamanzi la ngathi uyakhumbula Bongwe ngomnyaka opheleleko undunankulu nakathula inkulumo yakhe yesifunda wabala ukuthi namkha waveza amahlelo wokulisana nomraro wamanzi lo kodwa nanyana njalo ubonakala usaragela phambili umraro wamanzi kanti ke hlangana kwezinye izinto kulindele ukuthi undunankulu wakhulume ngazo kufaka hlangana ukulungiswa kwendlela iLillion Ngoyi eyaziwa ngeBree Street eyathuthumba ngo2023 indlela leke bekube namhlanje ukulungiswa kwayo Riyade amahlandla ambalwa okhunyeke undunankulu akuvezileko lokho nabe kaphendula inkulumo kaMengameli yobunjalo belizwe uvezwe amanye wamahlelo wesifunde esekufaka hlangana eGautrain neBullet Train nehlelo leDikageleng lezo ke ngezinye zezinto eziqalwe ukuthi undunankulu akhulume ngazo Bongwe nangathi uyakhumbula ke mhlapha nje ungqongqothe wezamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uthule imbalobalo zobulelesi kanti isifunda seGauteng sibalwe hlangana kwemfunda ezinosibalo esiphezulu sobulelesi lokho ke ngezinye zezinto uNdunankulu akulindele ukuthi akhulume ngazo Bongwe njenganje ke ngizochida kancane uboneke ukuthi ubujamo bukhamba njani la ngikhona nangathi uyaqala ke Bongwe umjeje mude ungangesitimela abantu bafuna ukungena bangena phakathi kuncanyelwa yona inkulumo kaMengameli kaNdunankulu wesifunda seGauteng ngokwakhona Bongwe angithokoze ithuba ngibusela indambo istudio sendaba eAuckland Park ngiyathokoza.
Siyathokoza ngumbiki indaba wethu loyo uNontokozo Sikhosana usibikela bunqopha eTshwane. Sasa ngalesikhathi sabe sikhona indaba zeSiswati. Ukhubongile.